present to you the story of the three little pigs. Okay, so turn to the first page. Are you all there? And these are the readers. They are telling the story. They're reading the story and telling it with very good expression in their voice. They're talking like little pigs and like the big bad wolf. Okay, you ready?
Here is a pig. Here is a pig. And here is a pig. 1, 2, 3. 3 little pigs. 3 funny little pigs.
Funny? Show me your funny yet.
See my house.
Wait for us a little bit. Wait, Gary. Wait a little bit. Gotta have an apple tree for the scenery. Okay.
See my house. It is a little house. It is yellow. Little pig, I want to come in. You cannot come in. I can pop the house down. Pop, pop, pop. That's a good one. I like that. Here is my house. It is a funny little house. Little pig, I want to come in. You cannot come in. See, Papa, I can pop the house down. Now, this one's gonna have 3 windows. Yeah. Oh, it's huge, Golden. Don't It's gonna fall. It's gonna fall, Mrs. Strudel. Yeah, Mrs. Strudel, it's gonna fall. Yeah, sit on it. Sit on it. What is that blue
Ready, readers? Page 20. Page 20.
What's the
Ready?
blue Look here. My house is a big one. It is round. Little pig, I want to come in. Go away. You cannot come in. See me pop, I can pop the house down. See here, my house is not down. I can go up. I can go in. Oh my, it is funny. You cannot go up, you cannot go down, and you cannot come in. Who's afraid of the big bad wolf? The big bad wolf, the big bad wolf. Who's afraid of the big bad wolf? Ha 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 ha. We're not afraid of the big bad wolf. The big bad wolf, the big bad wolf. We're not afraid of the big bad wolf. Ha 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 ha. Bye bye.
Yay.
Andrea, Evan, Emily, Tessa, Mason, Garrett, Katie. Yeah, wonderful job. And oh, I'm sorry, and Abrielle. The part of our apple tree was Taryn. Number 1 was Chase. Number 2 was Olivia. Number 3 is Aiden. And the big bad wolf was Justin.
Good.